SecurityOnScreen.com gives you the industry's most effective marketing platform, not just because of our own web presence, but also because we know how to make Google and social media work for you. From real-time custom Data Studio dashboards to help you keep track of your online advertising, to expertly targeted, strategic pay-per-click campaigns across Google Ads, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, we have the in-house know-how to transform your company's digital footprint. To explore the options, click on Create Your Campaign. Create Your Campaign is a modular tool which helps you to construct your ideal marketing mix from 4 main categories: display advertising, section sponsorship, video services, and digital marketing. You are free to move between each category, select a single option, or build up a more strategic combination of services. The choice is yours. Under digital marketing, you'll find options for pay-per-click campaigns on either Google, the leading social media platforms, or a combination of the above. Whichever you choose, we'll make it easy. From an initial consultation on your goals to the development of custom targeting, creative copy and campaign optimization, you can leave it with us. Best of all, you can add an enhanced live reporting dashboard to your campaign and receive in-depth, chart-based real-time insights. When you're happy with your selections, simply click on Review and Purchase and pay with confidence through our Stripe-based online store. Alternatively, if you would like to organize payment by invoice, then just get in touch. Welcome to a modern marketing mix. Welcome to Security on Screen.